Good morning, dear students. I am Rudresh, lecturer, Department of English, MANYATHA Girls Residential Science PU College, KB'HALLI. Today, I am here to introduce first PUC English language. English is the universal language. English is the window of the world. English plays a vital role in order to achieve our success. In India, English is introduced as a second language. This is all about the importance of English language. So, in your first PUC, you have 120-hour syllabus. Today in this class, I am here to introduce first PUC English language. So, first see here, there are two books in your first PUC English language. The first one is reflection. The first one is reflection and the second one is articulation. In 120-hour syllabus, we are going to divide these two books. There will be two books. The first book is reflection. Reflection, we call it as a textbook or course book. This is consisting of literature part, either prose or poetry. Okay, this is in your first PUC, and there will be 60-hour syllabus. In the reflection book, there are 6 poems and 7 chapters, including a drama. So, in reflection, there will be 13 units in literature part. Let's see which are those. The Gentleman of the Jungle is a lesson. The next one, poem The Schoolboy. The next one, Around a Medicinal Creeper, is a story. Oru Manushan, story. Money Madness is the poem. Babar Ali is the lesson. If I Was a Tree is the poem. 8th one, Watchman of the Lake. This is the drama. This is the drama. And 9th one, The Farmer's Wife, poem. 10th one, Frederick Douglass. This is a slave narrative. And the 11th one you have, that is an old woman. An old woman. Okay, an old woman. This is a poem. And the 12th one you have the story, that is Two Gentlemen of Verona. And the 13th one, that is Do Not Ask of Me My Love. This is the poem. So these are all about the reflection, which we call as a textbook or course book, that consisting of literature part. Then a book, let's see the book number 2nd. In book number 2nd, it named as articulation. Articulation means that is a study about pronunciation. It's about pronunciation. And in articulation, we call it as workbook, because there are so many worksheets are there on the basis of grammar. There will be 11 units of grammar. There will be 11 units of grammar. The first one unit we can find articles. Second one, prepositions, tenses, subject verb agreement, word order, question forms, correction of sentences, reading comprehension, reference skills, letter writing, language function. Okay, these are all the 11 units of grammar in your first PUC English language. The book name is articulation. Articulation means it's about pronunciation. So completely so many worksheets are there related to 11 units of grammar. Okay, in this grammar, articles parts of speech and tenses are very important. Without this, we cannot learn English. So these are all the important topics. Okay, the nextly I would like to move towards the question paper pattern. Question paper pattern. So here this is the question paper pattern for 120-hour syllabus. In your annual examination, there will be 100 marks. So here this is the question paper pattern. We can divide into two parts. There will be two parts, that is section A, that is on prose and poetry, and section B about grammar. Okay, in the section A, this is from literature part. The first main, answer the following in a word, a phrase or a sentence each. 12 into 1, 12 marks. There will be 12 marks. And here this main, it has the condition that if you attempting 1 marks attempting more than once will be awarded 0. Okay, in your examination ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಈ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇವಾಗ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, 1ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ wrote first one as a wrong answer. In the next page you wrote first one as a right answer. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು 2 ಸಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ದ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ 0, ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 12 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ in your first main, and each carries 1 mark. Okay, the second one, answer any 8 of the following, choosing at least 2 from the poems in about 80 to 100 words. Okay, there will be 10 questions set on it from the prose poetry section. You can write only 8, choosing 8 from among 10. And there is another condition is there, choosing at least 2 from the poem. Choosing at least 2 from the poem. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಸಿಂದನೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪೋಯಮಿಂದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 8. ದೆನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, answer any one of the following in about 200 words. In about 200 words. This is for 6 marks. There will be 2 questions are there. Okay, 2 questions. There will be 2 questions. You can choose any one and write the answer for in about 200 words in a 2 or 3 paragraphs. The next section B. Section B completely about grammar. This is for this is for 60-hour syllabus, and this is for 60-hour syllabus. This is for 50 marks, and grammar also 50 marks. So here we can find in section B, the 4th main you have, that is reading comprehension. And reading comprehension you have 10 marks. So in this main in reading comprehension there will be passage. There will be passage. passage, okay, for 10 marks. You can read the passage carefully and there will be 10 questions. You can write all the answer for 10 questions in the sequential order. ಏನು sequential order ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡು, ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನು 4 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. You have to, you should write all this is regarding reading comprehension. The answer should be sequential order. So sequential order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, this is about reading comprehension. There will be 10 questions. Then the fifth main you have, that is articles and prepositions. Articles and preposition, the marks allotted for you, of marks allotted in the question paper, that is 4 marks. 4 marks allotted. Then B, verbs. Fifth main, B, verbs. There in the verb tenses we can find. On the basis of verb tenses you have 4 marks in your annual examination. And third one, C, subject verb agreement. Okay, subject verb agreement, the marks allotted for you 3 marks. Okay, next D, correction of sentences. Correction of sentences, in your examination you have 2 marks. There will be 2 marks in the examination. And E, rewrite as directed. Rewrite as directed, there will be 6 marks in your annual examination. This consisting of synonyms, antonyms, prefixes, suffixes, homophones, homonyms, and question forms. Okay, question form. These are all things we can find in the rewrite as directed. Okay, this is for 6 marks. And sixth main you have, that is A, reference skills. Reference skills, the marks allotted in the examination, 4 marks. 4 marks allotted in the examination. Okay, the next one in the sixth main B, you have letter writing. In your first PUC you have official letter. There will be official letter. Okay, that is for 5 marks. Okay, next seventh main you have, that is language function. Language functions, there will be 13 different language functions on the basis of spoken English. On the basis of spoken English or communicative English. Okay, that consisting of 3 subparts. In your, there will be 3 subparts in the examination. The first part, that consisting of 5 marks, that is match the following expression. For example, good morning, what kind of expression it is? It is greeting. Okay, then thank you, it is, this is the expression we call leave taking. And could you please give me some water? This is requesting. The expression is requesting. Like this, there will be match the following in your examination for 5 marks. And B part in the language function, that is complete the following dialogue. This is for you in the examination for 4 marks. There will be incomplete dialogues. There will be 4 incomplete dialogues. You can fill those dialogues. You can complete the dialogue. That is for 4 marks. Then the last part in the language function, that is dialogue writing. There will be situation. They given the situation in your examination. You can write 3 or 4 dialogues related to the situation. On the basis of that situation, you can write dialogues. This is all about your question paper pattern. Today in this class, I had already discussed with you about the syllabus, 120 hour syllabus, and we can divide into 60 hour syllabus, and there will be 2 books set on it. that is reflection and articulation, textbook and workbook, and question paper pattern also I depicted with you people. Okay, this is all about today's class, and I would like to start in the next class. I would like to start with the lesson that is the gentleman of the jungle. Okay, thank you.